Hi, I'm Mona from Scholarly. We help smart companies around the world by growing their product and services and scale their business online. Today, I'm going to share how Zoho Sheet View can be a powerful tool for you. You can use Zoho Sheet View to change the lead source of some of these clients that you have on your CRM. So what we want to do here is to change the lead source of all the clients who have the lead source of advertisement to the lead source instead of web research. And so the first thing to do would be to filter on everyone who is a lead source from advertisement. To do that, through the view up here, you will create a new view. Here it is. And then you can just name it anything that's relevant to what I'm showing here. So this will be advertisement clients. And then you specify the criteria if you want your lead source, then is, and then you can choose what to put here. And so we're gonna have advertisement for now. And then you choose basically the fields that you want to show up in your Zoho Sheet view. So their first name, last name, lead source, and so I'm gonna add that. And I'm gonna hit save. So this is everyone who is an advertisement client. So they are someone with the lead source of advertisement. So now that you have this view, you can now access Zoho Sheet View by just looking at these clients. So to do that, you hit the menu icon and you go down to this here, the Zoho Sheet View. It comes with a little warning. So everything's fine and I can hit continue. So what happens here is it basically takes what I showed you on that other screen, but instead of the view that I saw before, it shows up almost like an Excel sheet. So it's powerful because first of all, you can visualize it and you can start doing some data manipulation quickly. The other way is you can really update records very quickly. So example in advertisement, I'm gonna put web research and then I'm gonna paste it here. So if I feel good about the changes, you're just going to hit save. The important thing here is to make sure it completely saves. You see how it's saving? You have to wait till this shows up, which is the spreadsheet saved successfully. Once that's shown, you can exit this view, and now what you'll see here after you refresh and you can see what's gonna happen is there's gonna be no records because now no one has a lead source of advertisement anymore. Instead, if I type in the name here, and I find the client, you can see that those lead source is now web research. So everything that I did in the sheet view is reflected in the Zoho CRM. And as a best practice, if you are done, you can delete this view now because you won't need it anymore. Try it out and let us know how it works for you. Share this video with your team if you find it useful. Like this video and subscribe for more Zoho related tips.